Hi students, welcome to Building My Arguments. Today we're going to check some phrases to build arguments in a conversation. First, we're going to check what is an argument. An argument is a line of reasoning designed to prove a point, or also is of declarative sentences that give support to any idea. We have an example of an argument. Freedom of expression is very important as well as education. As you can see, the person, number one, is expressing an argument with his friends. We have the classification of some phrases to build arguments. We have comparative. This is to compare similarities of an aspect. We have like, likewise, same as well as, also, to. We have contrasting, to contrast differences of two aspects. We have although, whereas, while, unlike, in contrast to, different from. Also we have consequence, to explain the results or consequences of an aspect. We have so that, in order to, consequently, as a result, therefore, that's why. We're going to check some examples of these phrases. Comparing, we have the example of education is important, same as health. This is a comparison between education and health. We are using the phrase same as. We have the category of contrasting. Health must be the most crucial right, while freedom of expressions can be taken easy. So, this is a phrase that we can use to contrast two aspects, the health and the freedom of expressions. We use while to make the contrast. In the category of consequence, we have the example of people don't have homes. That's why housing right is very important. So, as you can see, we are using the phrase that's why to explain the reasons that why the housing right is important. Okay, so this is how we can use these phrases to build our arguments, to compare, to contrast, or to mention the consequence. Now you can use these phrases. You can write in the comments some phrases to build arguments. Thank you for your attention and see you in the next class.